I have this blowgun that I got from Harbor Freight. Whenever I try to use it, it's actually leaking air. It's not supposed to do that, so I'm going to take it apart and try to fix it. So I'm going to have to knock out this pin. Doing this on a table, probably not the smartest thing, but I don't feel like doing this out in my cold garage. The pin does have a taper at the very tip, so you do want to knock it out on the smooth side because this tapered. So that comes out, and we get the there's my problem. The O-ring split in two, so that's a lot easier fix. I was figuring it might be something else. You see a little bit of wear right here from where the plastic rubs on the brass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my garage. I'm going to get 2 new O-rings, and this should actually work like new again. So let me go get that, and I'll be right back. This will be a quick video. Alright, so got my O-ring kit. Let's see what it takes. This one is probably 09. Let's look at the 09s.
That is rolling.
Yep, it's rolling.
That's really convenient.
Alright, so 09. It looks like 09 is the fix for it because it looks like this other washer. That's a spring. Go ahead and leave the spring alone because Daddy's working on this. So now pop out the other O-ring, which I'm just going to use my nails and drag it out. Yeah, that one's worn down a bit too. So for the price of a couple O-rings, I could save a $5 tool from the trash. Might not be worth it if your time's worth something, but I was annoyed and I hate throwing things out, so So to put this back together again,
you can use it now.
Yeah, I am using it now. Spray it with some lubricant.
You can use the pizza now.
Yeah, we'll do the pizza in a minute, sweetie. I'm almost done with this. So, spring right there. Plunger, which, oh yeah, that's good. That feels good. So, put the nozzle back together. Hold it like that. Shove your push pin through the end that is not tapered. And then push it like this. Tilt it. And push it. And then just a little more touch to have everything lined back up. Light taps, it's plastic, so don't want to break it. Oh, there's my hammer. Oh yeah, that works great. So for a few minutes, 2 number 9 O-rings. I'm sure you can use metric O-rings too. The tolerances on that can't be too tight. It's a Harbor Freight plastic machine. So this is going to go back. I can now use it again, and I lubricated the shaft so that when I was using it, it'd slide and not wear down those O-rings. I've had this for a couple of years. Don't know how long it's been leaking, but you saw how long it took me to fix it. Thanks for watching. Go out and get something fixed.